Breathtaking views, masterful craftsmanship, and unmatched coastal luxury. These are just a few of the defining features you'll find here at the mansion. An architectural triumph that perfectly embodies the essence of coastal living here on beautiful St. Simons Island. Whether you're seeking a luxurious full-time residence or an extraordinary coastal escape, this is the ultimate opportunity to indulge. And now, coming up to auction with J.P. King, the mansion offers a once-in-a-lifetime chance you won't want to miss. Located in Georgia's prestigious Golden Isle, St. Simons Island is a premier coastal destination known for its refined charm, vibrant community, and unparalleled natural beauty. Residents enjoy an elevated lifestyle surrounded by world-class golf, boutique shopping, fine dining, and miles of pristine shoreline. With convenient access to major hubs like Savannah, Jacksonville, and Atlanta, St. Simons offers the perfect blend of exclusivity and connectivity, making it one of the South's most sought-after coastal enclaves. The mansion is positioned across 3 exceptional lots and spans over 11,000 square feet of thoughtfully curated design, where heirloom quality craftsmanship meets modern luxury. Equipped with deep water access at any tide, this property is a coastal gem designed for the ultimate boating lifestyle. This extraordinary estate is being offered through an exclusive online auction by J.P. King, with bidding closing on June 5th. Now, let's step inside and explore everything the mansion has to offer. To truly appreciate this home, you have to see it for yourself. With 6 spacious bedrooms, 8 full baths, and 2 half baths, there's room for everyone. As you make your way through the home, the rich Virginia pine hardwood floors immediately set a tone of warmth and elegance. Every room has been thoughtfully finished with Turkish travertine stone, custom built-ins, and luxurious furnishings, each detail designed with comfort, style, and timeless sophistication in mind. Soft shiplap accents throughout add just the right touch of southern charm, paired perfectly with the home's refined coastal character. This kitchen is sure to excite any host with ample space and seating. Upstairs, you'll find 2 large multi-purpose rooms, ideal for a home gym or stylish game room, complete with a sleek wet bar, perfect for entertaining. Just steps away, the pool room becomes the ultimate entertainment hub, featuring its own media center and full bath for seamless indoor-outdoor living. The estate was designed for effortless entertaining. The backyard features a private resort-style oasis, complete with a sparkling in-ground pool, relaxing hot tub, outdoor shower, cozy fire pit, grilling station, and dual dining islands. This private boat dock pavilion offers both function and comfort. You can head out for a day on the water or relax in the built-in seating and enjoy the calm of the river. We're situated directly on the Frederica River, just 3/4 of a mile from the Intercoastal Waterway. And with the capability to extend the dock to over 180 feet, it's perfectly suited for larger vessels and deep water access at any tide. For the car enthusiast or weekend guest, the 8-car garage with hydraulic lifts and private guest quarters above offers unmatched convenience. Complete with its own kitchen and laundry suite, it's like a home within a home. From sweeping waterfront views to expert craftsmanship and thoughtfully designed living spaces, this home is the definition of elevated coastal living. It's a rare opportunity, one that blends luxury, lifestyle, and location in a way few properties can. For more information and to register for the upcoming auction, visit jpking.com.